Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try navy blue half sleeve shirt with white pants and tan sleepers. Next you can try white flower printed shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try white striped polo t-shirt with navy blue pants and beach loafers. Next you can try teal t-shirt with black baggy pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white and pink pattern shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try green t-shirt with white cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green and tan printed shirt with brown pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with grey pants and black loafers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with grey pants and black sleepers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of July month.